Hey, Phil Got Memories here. Okay, so these VHS decks, the VHS DVD combo decks, they all have either dirty or worn out heads. I put red stickers on most of them when I'm getting issues. And instead of telling my customers that due to the age of the materials, like you got your legacy box people and all these other companies that are just blaming customers' tapes when it's actually their decks, this is what you do when you're having issues with your decks. Now, not everybody gets to do this and walk it next door to a VCR repair guy, but this is what I do. And Tim's been fixing my stuff for years, and when this spot became available next to him, I was like, I'll take it. Anyway, let's have a look here. Hey, Tim.
Hey.
I'm just doing a video here. You fix them. Don't worry about it. Carry on. All right, let's do this without knocking everything over one-handed. There we go. Don't mind me. Just dirty heads and stuff.
I thought
No, don't worry.
Oh.
No, so they've got either dirty heads or worn heads. Just check them out.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm doing a little video. So this is Tim who fixes all my equipment.
Okay.
Arizona Video Electronics. There we go. If you need your stuff fixed, Tim's the man.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
All right, bye. And that's how it's done. God knows how much that's going to cost. Thousands. I mean, I'm not joking. Thousands of dollars to put new heads on those units that just left there. But that is how it's done. You have, if you are taking money from people to transfer their videotapes and you're not reinvesting part of the profits all the time you're making back into maintaining and cleaning the equipment, which is essential, then screw you. Because you're a bad business person, you got bad ethics, and that's the reason I'm making more and more of these videos now, is to create consumer awareness about keeping clean equipment, but also for all the transfer companies out there that are ripping people off and not clean it and blaming their tapes for the reason why their files look so crap or they can't transfer them, period. Like these goddamn companies here, just jacking people over, taking their money and not transferring their tapes, creating consumer awareness so more people are getting a quality job done as opposed to getting ripped off, because I'm so sick and tired of hearing it constantly from my YouTube videos where people call me and go, oh my God, can you help me out? Because this bloody company here took my money and didn't transfer jack shit. So, yeah, it's wrong. It's wrong, and I've had enough of it. So, guys, if you got a transfer company and you're taking people's money, get your heads clean, get your heads replaced. Just do it.